வணக்கம்.
Anna, you talked to my friend yesterday. You are the one with the Tamil wife.
வணக்கம்.
Wow.
என்னாச்சு?
தமிழ் தெரியுமா?
நான் தமிழ்டா, என்ன சொல்ற?
நீங்க தமிழா?
நான் தமிழ் தான்.
ஐயோ கடவுளே, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
Oh my gosh, wait, I'm on call with my friend. I need to show. Wait, say it again. He couldn't hear just now.
வணக்கம் பெண்ணே.
Vanakkam. Oh my god, oh his wife is Tamil. That's so cool. That's so nice.
Wait, your wife is Tamil.